the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. Now I'm just going to go in with my regular foundation that I use all the time, which is the MAC Studio Radiance in the shade NC50. Just going to put a little bit on my hand, about 2 pumps. Smear the rest of it away. All right, so I'm going to use the foundation brush in this set right here, just to kind of apply like that. I'm going to go in with this buffing brush and MAC concealer in the shade NC45. A beauty blender. Just gonna spray a little bit of setting spray on it. Concealer sit for just a little bit. And I'm gonna go in with my black opal stick in the shade Ebony Brown. I'm gonna blend it out with, I guess, this complexion brush. All right, now we're gonna go in and with our beauty blender and blend out our concealer. We're good. I'm gonna go in with my Too Faced concealer in the shade Chai, just a little bit under, like right here. Because I don't want any flashback. I go in with this One Size Pink powder. Super excited to try this out. Kind of scared, I'm not gonna lie. A little bit of this powder in the top. I'm gonna dab a little bit on my hand. Ow. Y'all. Hold on, let me, I think that looks really good. Okay, I'm gonna go in with my One Size Dark Deep powder to set my face really fast. And I'm gonna go in with this powder brush. Okay. So I set my face. Now we're gonna go in with the Mocha Mommy. This angled blending brush. Just tap that in. And I'm just going to set where eye cream contoured. All right. Now I'm going to go in with my translucent from One Size and just cut my contour. Then I'm going in with this brush just to kind of go over and just to diffuse any harsh lines. All right, and now it's time for the main event, the blush. So I want to go in with the I think I'm going to go in with this one right here in the middle. It's very pigmented, as you can see on the blush. Whoa. Yes. Like that. And then to ensure you get no flashback, I'm going to go in with that same brush I used for the bronzer to clean it up. Eyes today. I'm going to go in with this eyeshadow brush. I'm going to start with this shade right here, which is Nude Beach. I'm just going to apply that all over the lid. Then I'm going to go in with a different brush. And I'm going to take Rock and Rose, this shade right here. Then I'm going to go in with this brown, which is, get this bread.